Welcome. In this video I will tell you what to do if your LED display isn't working on Logitech G316X keyboard. So the LED light which you have right here in the top right corner of your keyboard should be working right away after you plug in your keyboard. So if it's not working, try replugging your keyboard into your computer. Make sure that you are using the original cable to do that, and if this still isn't working, try using a different USB port on your computer. Connect your USB-C cable to a different port, and if your LED lights still don't work after that, you should definitely reach out to Logitech customer support service and notify them about this issue, because at this point this must be some sort of a hardware issue. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.